I'm going to be doing this really cute and fun half up, half down, what am I doing? Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jessica. So I'm going to be doing this really cute and fun, easy hair tutorial. It is a half up, half down, oh gosh, it was my phone. So it is going to be a half up, half down, like a bun with clip-in extensions. And I'm actually doing this video because it was super highly requested on a video that is on my TikTok. And I just want to say that I appreciate everybody in that video, all of the love that I'm getting and all of the support. I 1000 appreciate it, and you guys have no idea how much it like humbles me just to get your support. So once again, thank you so much. So I'm going to show you guys how I get this hairstyle. It is very easy, so let's get to it. But do not forget, you guys, to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. If you are new to this channel, I do beauty and fashion videos. Everything is affordable and everything is always going to be super easy. It's not going to be at a crazy advanced level. I make sure I do everything so that you can follow along. So if that is something that interests you, then make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell, and let's get into the video. So all you're going to need for this little hair tutorial is these little, I think the brand is Scrunchie. I will try to find them and link them in the description below. But they are these cute little scrunchies that have these patterns on them. And then, of course, they have like the little tails. So this, I believe, was the one I was wearing in the video. It's like this cheetah, like tiger print. But for this video, I'm going to be wearing this one. It's super pretty. I actually just got it at Target like the day before yesterday because of course it goes with my outfit. So let's get into how to do this. So I do have in clip-in extensions, so that is part of why this hair looks so good, this hairstyle. These are the Luxy hair extensions. I do have another video on this channel, how I install my Luxy hair extensions. I can do an updated version if you would like, especially if you are new to my channel coming from TikTok. I can definitely do a new one, which I probably will anyways, just because I obviously dyed my hair and changed the color, so I have different colored hair extensions. So, but if you do want to see that, just make sure you give this video a like, leave me a comment below, and then I can go ahead and do that as well. So for this hairstyle, I am doing like kind of like a little mini like half up, half down. So I do also sometimes, if you follow me like on my Instagram or on my social media, you will see some other videos where I do like a full like half up, half down pony, where like it's super snatched with the extensions. But this is going to be kind of like a little mini version of that, like super easy. So I'm going to try to do this, of course, in this little viewfinder, so hopefully I can see. All right, so all I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to take a portion of my hair on top. Now, because I'm wearing extensions, if you are wearing clip-in extensions when you do this, you want to make sure that you are not taking a whole bunch of hair at the top so when you take it, you'll be able to see like the clips. You want to make sure that you're leaving enough hair down so that you don't see your clip-in extensions. So I'm just going to go ahead and start grabbing some pieces. Okay, so this is about all I'm gonna grab as far as my hair goes right here. So then what I do is I like to take two little side pieces. So I take some side pieces right here, and I'm also grabbing a little bit of the extension. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab and just kind of go up. Okay, so I have all of the hair that I'm going to be putting up. Now, of course, you can put your bangs back and put all of your hair up. I, particularly for this look, sorry, I'm looking in a mirror over here if you see me looking over there, but I take out some pieces of like my bangs, I guess you can call it. Okay, so as you can see, I just took out some of my bangs here to frame my face. And then all I do is take this little scrunchie right here, and I'm going to start to put it in a ponytail. I'm going to go ahead and only pull this halfway through. Sorry if you keep hearing my phone, but I'm going to pull it halfway through like that and just kind of pull it tight. And then we're gonna,
Really?
I have like this, you know, like little half bun thing, and I just kind of keep tightening it and making it a little bit more fluffy. I do not have like super thick hair, like, so my natural hair is like very, very thin. So I have to be careful with this because if I pull too much, it'll just come right out of the ponytail. So now that I did that, you can make it like as messy or as big as you would like. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these like little tail pieces right here because I don't want them right here in the front. I just kind of wrap around and I do one like little tie. Just do one little tie like that. Just like that, okay. One little tie like that. And then that keeps these little tails in the back, but you can obviously still see it and it looks really, really cute. I will go ahead and make this bigger if I want. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a bobby pin and I will kind of like press down right here, and this is just kind of securing like the hair in my little bun so that it doesn't fall out. So that is how I do that top part. Okay, and so that is gonna be it as far as that portion goes. It's so easy. Obviously you can just style the rest of your hair. I curl my hair the exact same way that I do in my other video. Just curl it and do loose waves with a curling iron, and then that is about it. The last thing that I do that I want to show you guys, the last thing that I will do sometimes when I put my hair either half up or like all the way up in a ponytail, if you guys can see, I have some spots where I just don't have a full hairline. I've always had super thin hair, so sometimes I just like to make it look a little bit more thicker. So I just take an eyeshadow. They do, of course, you can use like a root spray, or they have like an actual like root shadow, I believe, that it's specifically made for hair. But you can of course use an eyeshadow as well. This is just an old palette that I have. So I just take a little bit of like brown shadow on a brush, and I just kind of will dab in the areas where I want to fill in my like hairline. So like right here. I already did a little bit of this earlier, so it's like not super bald, but I just kind of want to show you guys like that is what I do. That is it for this little hair tutorial. I told you it is so easy. It's very, very simple. It honestly is just all about, of course, the extensions, and then just finding a cute little like scrunchie that has like these little tails on it. So I really hope that this was helpful to you. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And once again, if you want to see any other tutorials, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. And once again, if you are here from TikTok, I super appreciate you. Once again, you guys, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell so that you're notified every time I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video.